There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. Good job. Right. Gotta rip it. We rip? Rip it.
Just use it.
There we go.
Hey, let's throw this at Uncle Matt.
Okay. Wanna open? Open? What's going on in there? What's going on in
How can
there?
I get a shot of him here?
Oh, man. James. Oh, my gosh.
Do you want to open it up, James?
I don't know.
I don't know if it'll come open.
Yeah, we might need a scissors.
Well, you could get it if he wants to play with one. He wants something to play with. Why don't you go grab a scissors? James! Hey!
Say thanks, Santa. Oh.
He's not going to look up here at all. That's it.
James!
Okay, never mind. Oh, yeah. So give me my present.
Don't give him the scissors.
Here. Let's put that.
Right.
Yeah, we don't need the box anymore.
There.
James. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Did you say for a certain age on here?
Mommy, where do I put
Santa
this?
should have already
Safe
known.
for all ages.
Yeah.
Santa knows that kind of stuff.
You want to stack these over there?
That's a good shot of him eating it. Okay, Amanda, find one. Hey, James. James, what you got?
Oh, nice.
Oh, I don't know if I want to take a picture of that. I don't want to show off it well.
Like that?
Tie chain.
Tie chain.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Try it on.
Why?
Because he wanted one. Why wouldn't he? Why wouldn't you?
Interesting. I don't ever
Sorry, James.
I have a tie chain and a tie clip.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So what am I doing with this? Putting it down here?
He's growing up looking football, James.
Alright. Find one for Matt. Oh, Matt's got one already.
I am way ahead of you. Jimmy.
James,
Oh, I remember. You
He
got
really
that.
likes it. He's really enjoying it.
You gotta get your whole mouth around that thing.
Try it on.
Mom switching spots there?
Hey, Jimmy, he's got lots of snot coming down.
Oh, do you want Who's that from?
Uncle Matt.
Uncle Matt.
Uncle Matt.
Rip it, James. Come on. Rip it, James.
No, 4 years ago we were home.
Yeah.
45th anniversary.
Good job, honey.
Rip it. Like a bat.
Too bad you and
Take it.
Matt won't be able to
Take it.
play
Okay.
it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to sing. Jimmy wants to play Just Dance 4 with Amanda.
We had our camping.
Yeah, that's okay.
James.
We had a
What did your uncle? What did your Uncle Matt get you?
going sometimes.
Some Tape's boxes.
Lucky we got there.
Man. That one was kind of
He wants his ball.
Didn't fit in the greatest, so.
James. What did your Uncle Matt get you? Oh my goodness. What is it?
Now what's this?
Oh, give that to his mom, maybe. Amanda, give that to his mother.
James.
Yeah, but somebody still let us use their garage.
You should read it out loud.
Okay.
Okay.
James.
All right,
James.
she's going to read something
This is-
out loud from Matt.
James.
For James.
That's kind of from me and Abby.
Oh, yeah, Matt
From your
and
Uncle
Abby.
Matt. Okay. James Lee, not only do we think you would look cute carrying rings, but there is no one else we trust with our bling blings. You may not actually carry the real stuff, and you may run down the aisle the wrong way, deciding you had enough, but there is no one else we love so much who could give our wedding such a handsome, adorable touch. Love, Uncle Matt and Aunt Abby. James, would you like to bear their rings? James, would you like to bear their rings?
Well, and then she has a nephew who just turned one.
Oh, and look, they gave you a little bear suit.
Yeah.
They gave you a little
So
bear
he'll be,
suit.
yeah, he'll be
Look
almost,
at this. James. Oh, it has a tail.
That's fine, let him play with that. It's his anyway.
yeah.
He's going to rip it open.
It's his.
Mom and Dad.
Let's eat it a little bit. Let's eat it a little bit.
Be careful.
No problem, Matt.
Having troubles there? I don't want to wreck the box. Ooh.
James.
Ooh.
Whoa.
This is like the same exact shirt that we were going to get on the day after Thanksgiving, but we didn't know how much it was, and so I think this will fit. Thank you.
Who's there? You just play with that one.
And it was too busy. What is? Oh, this is.
Yeah,
Is it a combined?
there to show you what the sleeve looks like.
Come on, James. James. Oh, I had him for just. I had him.
We can get a smile.
Oh.
Now he's smiling.
I'm taking video
All right.
instead.
You're taking